today I want to show you how to mesh a UniFi APs. I have two outdoor AC MESH PRO APs, and first I am going to open the box. Let's see. This is brand new Mesh AC Pro outdoor, and in the box this is power cord. Here is this quick book and PoE adapter. You can see PoE adapter. We need to plug the power cord here, and it will be power on Ethernet. And this is the bracket. I will use it outdoor and hang it on pole. And the last one is there is some screws. Four more screws. So this is the complete box. My next video I will show you how to configure the two devices. Thank you guys. Now I'm going to power on this unit, and you just need to push this both button at a time, and it will be out this bracket. Let me show you how. Same here, I will plug the Ethernet, pull out. Here you can see the two ports, one for Ethernet, second one for secondary Ethernet if you need. This is PoE adapter. I'm going to plug in. Just plug in. I have two cables. This cable is second point connect with my switch, network switch, and you can see the LAN port. I will plug this in LAN port, and second patch cord to power the AC MESH Pro. And insert in LAN, main LAN port, not secondary. If you need to extend or use another device, then you can see the secondary port. Now the device is turned on. Okay guys, next I will show you how to configure this device. Thank you. I'm going to hang this. Now you can see the bracket and the screws and bracket. Okay, this is my pole. I just weld it. Here you can see. And just install the bracket. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to hang it. Now it's done, you can see.